Hello everyone, my name is Krupa Palekar and my team members are Gauri Patil, Ashwini Banigiran and Sureka Patil. We are the students studying in 5th semester C division. The title of our project is Website Development for a Finance and Investment Company. The main purpose of this project is to help the owner of the company by building a website which will be self-explanatory, and we will have a details for the company's past achievements and future goals and returns of the investments. The website is built using a hypertext markup language used to structure a web page and its contents. Cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in HTML, and Bootstrap used to create modern websites and web apps. Now, let us move on to the artifact. That is, the first diagram is class diagram. First of all, what is a class diagram? It is a type of static structure diagram that describes the structure of an system by showing the system's classes, their attributes and operations, and the relationships among objects. Here in this diagram, starting with the home page, that is a parent class, and below is the generic class named as services, which accepts the type string. And in services, there are three different subclasses, that is investment, insurance, and loan. And further, in the investment class, we have three subclasses, that is mutual fund, functional goal based plan, and retirement plan. And in the insurance parent class, we have three subclasses, namely life insurance, health insurance, and general insurance. And in the loan parent class, we have uh, four subclasses, that is home loan, mortgage loan, business loan, and personal loan. Next is the sequence diagram. What is sequence diagram? A sequence diagram shows object interactions arranged in the time sequence. It shows the object involved in the scenario and the sequence of messages exchanged between the objects needed to carry out the functionality of the scenario. Here, in this diagram, whenever the user opens the website, the home page will turn up, that is showing the services, investment, insurance, and loan as an options in the navigation bar. And from there, if the user clicks on the services option, three options, that is investment, insurance, and loan, will appear. If the if they click on the investment and the return back, they will be clicked back to the services option. Likewise, the process remains same for the loan insurance and loan page options too. And if the user wants to return back, they can do it by coming out of the services option. Here in the diagram, black dot represents the end of the process, that is a particular process. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Gauri Patil. My friend Krupa told overview of our website. Now I am going to start the demonstration part. Here is our website index page. This is navigation bar. Viraj Financial Services. It is logo of our company. In this page we have displayed information about company overview, what are the services company provide, and contact part. In navigation bar, when we click on to the about, it will take us to the about section. Like this, when we click on to the overview, company overview, it will take us to the company overview section. These are the services which our company provided. This is the contact part. This is the address of company, phone number and email address. In navigation bar, here we have included drop down menu. In this, if we select investment plan, it will take us to the investment web page. If we click on About, it will go back to the home page or index page. If we click on Insurance, it will take us to the Insurance page. Here, if we click on to the Loan, it will take us to the Loan page. Now I am going to select the investment. This is the investment page. Our company provide mutual fund investment. It gives information about that what is the mutual fund, how it work, what are the benefits, or why should we invest in mutual funds, and plans having mutual fund at our company. Thank you.
In this insurance page, we have designed this insurance page for Viraj Financial Services. Viraj Financial Services providing three type of insurances. The first one is health insurance and life insurance and general insurance. We have created three insurance pages and linked here in this insurance page. The first one is health insurance. In this health by going through this health insurance page, the customer can get this page. And in this page, we have in the first, in the navigation bar, I have provided hospital cover plan and family future health insurance. uh, uh, I have created hospital cover plan and linked here. By going through this link, the customer can get the information about hospital cover plan. By going through this page, the customer get the information about customer hospital cover plan, and what are the benefits of his hospital cover plan and how it works, and what are the policies in this page. We have added this image using image tag and information using some paragraphs, and we have styled this information using css files and all. uh, the next one is the family future health insurance. By going through this link, the customer get information about family health insurance. By going through this page, the customer will get family health insurance. Why? What is the family health insurance? Why it is important? What are the benefits of it? And all. By in this page, we have just give the information, and we have added this one image through image tag. The next, after going through this both information, hospital cover plan information and family future health insurance, if the customer really interested for the health insurance, then he can apply the health insurance going through this html form we have created. Here the customer is, if interested, he will fill the form. And after going through this filling this form, the customer will provide the information for the company, and this information will going through saved in database by submitting this button. After he will get the this message page, we will call you shortly, and uh, and the information will be saved in database. Going through that information, the company will call back the customer, and uh, he will interested, he can buy the health insurance. In this page, we have just added this form, and this is the one thought. And another, in the footer, using footer, we have added uh, one of the thought in this page. Then this is all about health insurance. Next, in this main page, we are the next one is life insurance. By going through this life insurance page, the customer can reach here by going through this Viraj Financial Service life insurance. In this page, I just created like this page and designed it. In the life insurance page, as in the navigation bar, I have given two information: life insurance products and life insurance basics. In the first one, life insurance products, I have created 4 pages: life term insurance, whole life insurance, endowment plan, and VLIP plan. We have created 4 pages and link here through drop down menu in navigation bar. The first one is term life insurance. Going through this term life insurance page, the customer will get the information about the terms of life insurance, and what is the term life insurance, how does it works, and what are the term life insurance and benefit of it all. Here we, in this page, we just give the information about term life insurance. The next one is in the life insurance product, whole life insurance. In the whole life insurance page, we just added this image, and what is the whole life insurance, we have give the information about whole life insurance to the customer. To going through this information, the customer will get the insurance terms and its benefits. If the third one is endowment plan. In the endowment plan, we have in this page we have provided what is endowment plan, why should I if the customer buy the endowment plan, what kind of endowment plan he can optimize, and all. By going through this all information, if the customer really interested and you want to buy the endowment plan life insurance, he can go through this form. He can request for the insurance policies by filling this form. We have created this form using HTML, and we have validated this form in HTML. In this we have created four input type of form. The in annual income also we have given this in a uh, and if we have given option for this, and also investment, how much if you want to investment for the his life of future. And if going through this submit button, he will provide the information for the company, and he will get this message. uh, After going through his information will be saved in database, and going through that information, the company will call back the customer. The next one is ULIP plans. In this page, I just created one form, and we give the information of importance of ULIPs in the footer. uh, in HTML, we have created this form. Going through ULIP uh, form, if he want to buy the ULIP plan insurance, he can give the his information and apply and request for this plan. As you seen earlier, it like displays the same message as, and the data will be saved in database, and the company will call back the customer. Oh, the next in the navigation bar is life insurance basics. In the life insurance basic, I have created 4 information pages and linked here. Uh, to going through this, what is life insurance page? Uh, in this page, the customer will get the information about what is life insurance, how does it works, and all about life insurance information. To going through this information, we have added this information by using some paragraphs and header, and all and we added this image through image tag only. And in this life insurance basics, another one is how does life insurance works. In this page, the customer get information about how does life insurance works, applying for life insurance, and benefits of all and information. In here we have provided. By going through this page, the customer get about the knowledge about how does the life insurance works. It is important for the customer to get know about how the life insurance works for his future. And the next one in the life insurance basic is why life insurance. One of the most important important information provided we have provided in this page. Why life insurance for the customer for his life. We have provided the information for his uh, information about life insurance, why it's important. After going through this information page, if the customer is interested, he can if the customer want to apply or buy the life insurance, then he can fill this form for requesting, and here we have give the customer will give the information about his after going through this information submission. The information, as I said earlier, the information will save in database, and this is the callback request will be accepted. And uh, in this web page I have just given one thought and added in the footer. It is all about, and this is the in the body, this is form, and this thought will be added as a using grid system. 50% of grid system in the body is occupied by this thought, and 50% will be occupied by this form. This is all about life insurance. The next and last one is general insurance. In going through this general insurance link, the customer will get the customer will see this general insurance. In this general insurance page, we have just created general insurance, one added one image, and give the information about general insurance, and we have give one thought in your footer. And in the general insurance, there are three type of insurance provided by the Viraj Financial Services. The first one is motor insurance. Going through this motor insurance, the customer get the information about motor insurance for his vehicle, as like a car. In the we have in this page we have provided the information about motor insurance. If the customer is really interested and want to get more information about motor insurance, he should go through the this information as we provided in this section about contact information. And going through this section, we have provided contact information and mail information. If the customer interested to buy or apply for the motor insurance, he should go through the contact and mail. The next one is accidental insurance. One of the general insurance is accidental death insurance. Accidental death insurance is very important for the family man. In this accident, we give this information about accidental insurance, and how does it works and all, and what are the importance of it. Uh, and the next one insurance is marine insurance. In this page we have give the information about uh, marine insurance, and we have provided contact information. If the customer is really interested and he want to buy or apply for the marine insurance, then he should go through this contact information. We have provided mobile a number and mail ID. Going through this contact information, the customer can apply for the marine insurance. This is all about general insurance page. We have provided the information. Um, we have created this pages, and we have linked in the general page in main page of insurance. In this main page of insurance, uh, we have give the link for all three types of insurances. And uh, if if the customer is want to get more information this insurance, he can go through the contact information. we have provided here. Going through this contact information, he can get more information about insurance, all health insurance and life insurance and general insurance. This is all about insurance. This is the insurance page. We have created this insurance pages using HTML and CSS and all.
I am Sureka Patil. Now I am explaining loans that are provided by Viraj Financial Services. As earlier, my teammates are explained the company overview about the company and insurance. Now I am explaining the loans that are provided by the Viraj Financial Services. And this page we have created as a main page for the loans, and this is background image we have used. And here there are 4 types of loans that are provided by the Vijay Financial Services. Here you can see, and we have linked all these pages to this loan main page. This is the main page. We have linked all these 4 pages to that. First one is home loan. We have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap for creating and designing this web page. As you can see here, we have used image tag for this, and we have used paragraph tag for this. And user can go through this website to know more about the home loan, to know about the what type of loans are available by the Viraj Financial Services, and for whom it is available. All the information is provided here. As you can see, user can go through this and here, and the types of the loans that are provided by the Viraj Financial Services. We have used Bootstrap grid system for here. There are total 12 columns in grid system. We have divided into 4 into 4 into 4. So we get 3 here. Here, the land purchase loan, home construction loan, home improvements loan, these are provided by the Viraj Financial Company. And here I have used paragraph tag for this. And next, and here the benefits of the home loan is provided here. And for this I have used HTML card, and for this I have used HTML form which reads the user's input. And if the user want to take home loan, they can fill this form to contact company. Once they request a home loan, they will get the callback from the company. Here if the user have any queries, they can contact company through this number or through this email. They will come to know. We have provided the number and the email here, so they can contact the company if they have any queries. Here also they can contact company through this page if they want the home loan. And for this we have used HTML form tag, and all the information about the home loan is provided here. User can go through this, and if they want the home loan, they can request for the home loan by filling this form. Here we have used HTML form. And the next loan is business loan. Here we have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap for creating and designing this page. This is we have used image tag for this. And here we have used the paragraph tag and the heading tag and all. Going through this website web page, the user will come to know what is a business loan, how to get a business loan easily. All the information about the business loan is provided here. User can go through this to know more about the business loan. And here also we have provided the number and email for the user. If they have query, they can ask the company using these number and emails. And for this we have used the section tag in HTML. Okay, and for this we have used text color tag. And here we have here it is a navigation bar we have used. And the next one is mortgage loan. Here also earlier I said I have used the image tag for this. And here I have used a paragraph tag here for this, and heading tone for this. And going through this web page, user will come to know what is a mortgage loan, what type of the mortgage loans available by the Viraj Financial Company. As mentioned here, they will come to know what types of mortgage loans available, and the whom it is available, what is a mortgage loan, all the information about the mortgage loan is available here, and the benefits of the mortgage loans are provided here. Here I also used the Bootstrap grid system. Here you can see, and here again I used the HTML form, HTML card for these two. If the user want to take mortgage loan, they can request a mortgage loan through this form. Once they fill this form, they'll get a call from the company and they can proceed their procedure. Okay, and again we have provided number and email here, and we have used a section for this. And then this is what about the mortgage loan. Next loan is personal loan. Again, as I said, I have used image tag for the RMG source tag for this, and here I have used a paragraph tag for this, and user will come to know by reading this what is a personal loan, or for what it is used, how it is used, and all the information about the personal loan is provided here. And what are the interest rates on the personal loan we have provided here. And question notice against fake loans offers also provided here. See, we have used one button here, collapsible button we have used here. And next, here I have used HTML card that will provide the information about best ways to make use of a personal loans. The information about that is provided here. User can go through this to know more about the personal loans. And here I have used HTML form tag. If the user want the personal loan, they can request a personal loan through this form. They can fill a form, and if they request it, they'll get a call from the company, and user should enter the valid data here. And here numbers he should enter, alphabets he has entered. See, I can enter the details here. I'll show you. I'm just entering the numbers here, phone number. You can see. So only it will take numbers here. It will take only characters. And here I have given some option for this. As it states here, other details, whatever they want, they can give here. Once they click this, they'll get like this window saying that you have filled the form successfully. This is all about the loans that are provided by the Viraj Financial Services, and this is how we have designed and created the HTML code for these pages. And code I will show you once. This is the CSS file. Here we have created a lot of classes for our designing purpose, as you can see here. See, we have used here. And HTML file is here. As I said, I have used a HTML form tag. Here it is request a callback, and we have used here Bootstrap grid system, that is small column 6 means we have divided the total 12 columns into 6 into 6, and here another 6, and this is the section we have used for the contact. Another 6 here, 6 and 6, and next here 4. We have used 4 into 4 into 4, and div classes we have used, and card as I said here I have used, as you can see here, code. And navigation for the navigation code is here. We have written this code for the navigation. And we have linked style.css here, and we have linked the remaining pages here. Thank you all. This is what the loans